Hello again, everyone. This is Julie here from Laserscroll.com. Today we're going to take a look at the 1927 Ford Model A. This little beauty was made by, of course, the Ford Motor Company and was Ford's second market success after its predecessor, the Model T Ford, which I'm sure you've heard of if you're a car buff or fanatic. Ford decided to make more legroom for center passengers, so they migrated the gear shift level from the floor to the steering column in this little beauty. The parking brake was activated by a pedal operated by the driver's left foot, just like on a Buick. Soon after, the inside door handle was reversed, so you'd need to pull up to open the door. So it's a very cool design. Take a look at the inside. Now this particular model is a great looking little two-door with some very fine detail. There's the front. And this pattern, when made in about 1/8 inch or 3mm material, is roughly 18.9 inches in length when finished, and about 6.7 inches wide and roughly 9.7 inches high. And of course you can paint it whatever color you like. Do the wheels up and in the colors of your choice. The largest part in 1/8 inch size for this Ford model is around 17.4 inches by about 3.5 inches. So of course you'll want to check the bed of your machine to make sure it works for you. Here's the bottom, you can see. Very interesting design. And of course you can scale the slots to a larger size or a smaller size depending on how you want to go, but 1/8 inch is the standard size for a tabletop model at completion. So you can figure it out from there, whether you want to go bigger or smaller. And it's a nice little car, that's for sure. Please check out our YouTube channel, which is MakeCNCWorkshops.com TV, and subscribe. We much appreciate it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed my first product video on the 1927 Ford Model A. There are lots of exciting and informative new videos coming soon, so keep checking back. Good luck and happy CNCing.